The umami hack. Start in air fryer. Japanese sweet miso glazed chicken. Chicken Saikyo Yaki. Two tablespoons of Saikyo miso or white miso. You can use red miso too. Half tablespoon of sake. One tablespoon of mirin. Half teaspoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of sugar. One teaspoon of cooking oil. Mix well. Two 260 grams of chicken thigh. Spread the pre-made miso sauce over the trimmed chicken. Spread the miso sauce generously on the other side as well. Marinate in the fridge for a few hours. Once the chicken is marinated, the prep is done. Place the seasoned chicken skin side down in the air fryer basket. Lightly spray or brush the chicken with cooking oil. First air fry at 200 degrees Celsius for 11 minutes. Flip it over after 11 minutes. Air fry at the same temperature for 5 minutes. Even though it's air fried, the chicken should be incredibly juicy. 今日の料理は鶏肉の西京焼きでした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.